Hello, this is Shandong Qinyi. I'm Syria. Today I'm going to introduce the differential assembly for Sinotruk Sitrak.
This is driving gear, 32 teeth. This is engaging sleeve, 10 teeth. This is input shift. Here you can install flange, 31 teeth. Here you can install engaging sleeve, 54 teeth. The inner teeth of spider shift is 34 teeth, and its total weight is 37.6 kg. Every part of our differential is high standard and high quality. The material of gear is 20 chromo, processing it in the CNC center and using fine grinding technology. The material of input shift is 42 chromo, intermediate frequency modulation, and 3-dimension method. We assembled with copper frame structure bearing. The copper frame structure is different from nylon material. It has better wear resistance and longer service life. We are strictly for the accuracy, material, technology, and quality stability of every product, aiming to create an elaborate brand.
We are a company integrating production, processing, and sales, mainly produce truck axle and chassis parts. We can not only provide good product and price for you, but also provide professional auto spare parts knowledge for you. If you want to cooperate with a professional technical factory, please contact me. See you next time. Bye!